Today, we're going to look at price ceilings, also known as maximum prices. A price ceiling is a maximum legal price set by the government below the market equilibrium price so as to prevent prices from rising too high. It is usually introduced to make essential goods and services more affordable, particularly for low-income consumers. But it's important to note that a price ceiling only has an effect if it is set below the market equilibrium price. If the maximum price is set above the equilibrium price, it is considered as non-binding and has no impact on the market. Common examples of price ceilings include rent controls in the housing market and maximum prices on basic food or energy in times of crisis. Let's now look at the diagram of price ceiling. At the original market equilibrium E, where the market demand intersects the market supply, the price is PE and the quantity is QE. The government then imposes a price ceiling at PC, which is below the market equilibrium price PE. At this lower price, the quantity demanded increases to QD because consumers are now willing and able to buy more. However, the quantity supplied decreases to QS because producers are less willing to supply at a lower price. This will lead to a shortage that is indicated by this distance, QD minus QS, because now the quantity demanded is greater than the quantity supplied. And this shortage will also lead to several problems. First, allocative inefficiency will occur as the quantity produced is lower than the socially optimal level. Second, there may be black markets where goods are sold illegally at higher prices. Also, non-price rationing may occur, such as long queues, waiting lists, or favoritism. Finally, there may be long-term fall in quality as producers cut costs to cope with the lower price. While price ceilings can improve affordability, their effectiveness depends on several factors. If demand and supply are relatively price inelastic, the shortage may be smaller. However, in the long run, price ceilings can discourage investment, reduce supply further, and worsen the problem that they were designed to solve. To summarize, a price ceiling is designed to protect consumers, but if set below the equilibrium price, it will normally lead to shortages and market inefficiency.